right, guys, I'll give you a little breakdown where we're headed this year. The next show is the Brothers Show over here in Yorba Linda, California. Then we hike all the way across the country, basically, to Des Moines, Iowa for the Good Guys Show. Then the following weekend after that, we head over to Ohio for the PPG Nationals, also a Good Guys Show. That's the big one. I'm really excited about that. Then down to Tennessee for the Southeast Truck Nationals. That's a one-day show. It's pretty cool. This will be our second year attending that one. Then September, we do C10s in the park. Then we got the big show at the end of the year, SEMA. We're in Central Hall and Hot Rod Alley, so make sure you come check us out. We were gonna have our full chassis on display at all of these events, as well as some of our like coilover kits, trucks on display, customer vehicles, customer builds, things like that. Shirts, hats, swag, billet parts. Come see us, come say hi, get some gear, buy a frame, make your truck cool. Get my map. I'll see you guys there.